In the world of engineering, every drilling counts. Drillmaster drilling teeth, with their outstanding performance and durability, have become the top choice for hundreds of engineering teams. Precision engineered and designed for easy installation and replacement, Drillmaster drilling teeth save a considerable amount of maintenance time and reduce costs. Drillmaster drilling teeth are the key to our project's success. I highly recommend them to any team looking for both efficiency and quality. Choose Drillmaster drilling teeth, make every drilling a success.